Hi there! Welcome to my kitchen. Today we're making the healthiest green patties. First, grab a head of broccoli and cut it into florets. Slice each piece in half, that'll make it easier to cook. Place the broccoli into a large bowl. Now take one zucchini and slice it your way. Medium pieces work best. We'll cook them together with the broccoli. I love young zucchini, so juicy and vibrant. And it's super good for you, so I use it all the time. Add the zucchini to the bowl. Time to peel a red onion. It's my favorite, the sweetest one. Slice it however you like. I'm going for thin strips today. Just look at that gorgeous color, and it's packed with nutrients. Toss the onion in with the rest of the veggies. Peel some garlic cloves. You'll need 5 or more if you love garlic as much as I do. I'm slicing it today, keeping it nice and simple. No need to mince, just cut it however feels good to you. Add the garlic to the bowl. Grab a couple stalks of celery. That fresh aroma gets me every time. Slice the celery into small pieces. Hear that crunch? So fresh and crisp. Add it to the bowl with the veggies. Let's bring in some leek. It adds such a delicate flavor. Slice it up into small pieces. It'll make the mix even juicier. Drizzle olive oil into a skillet and spread it around. Add all the chopped veggies from the bowl. Look at those colors, such a beautiful green mix. Stir everything well and start cooking it down. The colors are amazing, pure energy on a plate. And the smell. Toss in the chopped leek. Season with salt to taste. Add a bit of dried oregano, it really elevates the flavor. Sprinkle in some black pepper. Stir everything again and cook for a few more minutes. Once the veggies are tender and cooled a bit, move them to a blender. No blender jar? A hand blender works too. These veggies are super soft. Toss in 60 grams of fresh spinach. Time to blend it all up. You want a smooth, green mix. And there's your base. Scoop it into a bowl. Just look at that deep green color. Let's add even more goodness. Finely chop a bunch of green onions. You can totally toss in any fresh herbs you love. Add the green onions to the bowl. I'm using parsley next, about 30 grams, but go wild if you love it. Finely chop the parsley. Add it right in. Crack in 1 egg and mix it all together. Now add 100 grams of wheat flour. I like to sift it to keep the batter smooth. Toss in 100 grams of your favorite shredded hard cheese. Mix it well until everything comes together. This is packed with nutrients. A dish you could enjoy every single day. Time to fry. Drizzle some olive oil into a pan. Scoop out a spoonful of batter and shape it into a patty. Cook over medium heat until golden and crisp. Once golden on one side, flip and finish cooking. Place the patties on a plate when done. I love serving them with natural yogurt and some herbs on top. Can't wait. They smell amazing. And that color. Just wow. Enjoy. I hope you love them as much as I do. Don't forget to share this recipe with friends.